Good morning, good morning. At the beach again. Past couple times we've been out here with the fly rod. As you can tell, I am here with the spinning rod. This here just to relax, not focus on how I'm casting, my up cast, back cast, stripping line. Just gonna cast, just enjoy myself. So stay tuned. Hopefully we'll get some fish on film. Man, I just got bit. Bit hard. So let's throw it out there again. I think they're out there. Today, fishing a Carolina rig because I'm just here to fish, not focusing on all that fly fishing stuff. Ooh. There we go. I think he's on. I think so. I don't lose him. It's quite a small one though. Oh, there he is. There he is. All the way up there. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, not too bad. Number one on the board today. Okay, let's get you unhooked.